if you're missing photos in the Messages app of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if you have recently switched from your old iPhone to the iPhone 16, then you might have not transferred the data from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. Now, to transfer the data of the Messages app on your old iPhone, just go to Settings, then tap on the Apple account. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. And from here, just tap on iCloud Photos and make sure you enable Sync this iPhone. And after you enable Sync this iPhone, then go back. And from here, just tap on Messages in iCloud. And from here, just make sure you enable Use on this iPhone. And after you enable Use on this iPhone, then just wait for a few seconds until the Sync Now option appears. Then tap on Sync Now and just sync all the data of the Messages app to your iCloud. Now, after you have synced the data from your old iPhone to your iCloud, now on your iPhone 16, just go to Settings. Then just log into the same Apple account which you have used on your old iPhone. After that, just tap on iCloud, then go to the Save to iCloud section and make sure you enable iCloud Photos. After you enable iCloud Photos, then go back and tap on Messages in iCloud. Now just make sure you enable Use on this iPhone. After you enable Use on this iPhone, then tap on Sync Now. Now after you have done that, you will sync all the Messages data from your iCloud to your iPhone 16. And this process might take from a few hours to a few days. Just keep checking regularly for the syncing not to stop. As you can see, we have completed the syncing process, but if you have loads of data saved in your Messages, this process might take some time. And after this process is completed, then go to your home screen and open the Recent Apps section. Now, if the Messages app is opened in the Recent Apps section, just remove it. Then open the Messages app, then open the contact in which you are missing some photos. Then tap on the profile icon and look for the Photos section. If you find the Photos section, you will be able to see all your missing photos in this area. But if you still cannot find all your missing photos, just wait for 1 day and they will start automatically syncing on your iPhone. Now, if you have been waiting for 1 to 2 days, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If the force restart did not work, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just tap on Update Now and update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix photos missing in Messages on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.